step into the Dodge 2019 Grand Caravan SXT. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are transmission, 6-speed automatic 62TE, STD, black light gray stone premium seats with suede inserts, second row stow and go bucket seats, STD, manufacturer's statement of origin, quick order package 29P included, engine 3.6L V6 24VVVT, FFV, transmission, 6-speed automatic 62TE black finish IP bezel bright belt moldings, wheels, 17 inches x 6.5 aluminum, WGH, STD, granite pearl coat, Sirius satellite radio and engine, 3.6L V6 24VVVT, FFV, STD. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading,